Hey there and welcome to Tail Slaters. Yes, I'm wearing glasses. Another reminder of impending death. Today we're going to talk about why does your effect suck? DMX smoothing, which is usually a good thing in most circumstances, except for every time I ever want to use it. You know, the canned effect, it's, the lightning is, if I simply turn it off, there you go, instant improvement. Whether or not you need it like more random, less random, whatever, now it at least feels like it's popping. On the left here, out of frame, but like shining on the backdrop, is a 300x aperture with a Fresnel on it. Then I also have an Infinibar, which I just turned on. I happen to be in a rainbow loop. That's not, an intentional. This has the ability to set the DMX smoothing, and this does not. As the name suggests, it's going to smooth out that information that's being passed to the fixture. And so trying to do this with that is going to get something that looks more like, would have been great if I already had it queued up, right? It's going to look more like this. Yeah, underwhelming, right? And it's just doing that little pulse because built into this guy, the 300X up here, is DMX smoothing. If you want a fixture to say like turn on, turn off, like someone switching a light switch, flipping a light switch on or off, you want that light to turn off, turn on. Just doing a master on off on the 300, you can see it's got a baked in, fade out. Let's just test this out, because honestly I can't remember. It's been a minute. Let's take that out of the equation. Let's turn the Infinibar on. It's less pronounced, obviously, than the 300 spotting on it, but still, let's just see if we can pick up if I turn it off. So I think that's pretty pronounced. I'm literally just using the master slider and just turning it off, and it's just snapping on, snapping off. And I do have DMX smoothing off. Let's turn the DMX smoothing on, which is, if you're unfamiliar, it is a menu option. It is under the DMX menu. So of course I put it in a place it's hard to get to. All right, so DMX settings, DMX smoothing. Let's just go to extra smooth and do nothing else, and let's just see what happens. I know it's an amazing video. I don't know if this video is needed. It's just the fact that it just happened to me again. I was on set, and it had happened to me, I don't know, a year prior, where someone wanted something, and I'm like, let's just try it. Oh wait, what happened? Yep. All right. Yeah, it happened. Wow, that's crazy. I did set it to extra smooth. So look at my eyeball. That is extra smooth. Let's just try it smooth. Regular smooth is probably more like is maybe more like just kind of the default. Let's see. Yeah, that feels, I don't know that it is. I'm sure we can get a stopwatch. It feels like a half second, which I think is kind of the normal. So that's just something to keep in mind. But anyway, if you're on set and you're like, why is this not working? Hopefully this video is a helpful little tip. It's an easy little switch. This has been another episode of Tail Slaters, where we talk about lighting and photons and things to hopefully help you out on set and not hate your life. That's basically 90% of the job is finding ways to not be yelled at. Or when the people do yell at you, you can call them idiots. I don't know. No, that's not quite right.